Razer Pro Type Ultra Review. The Razer Pro Type Ultra keyboard is a powerful and sleek keyboard, offering great value for money with an array of useful features. The backlit lighting and programmable macro capability make it an ideal choice for those seeking these functions. However, users with simpler needs may need to consider if the Pro Type Ultra is suited to them. The Razer Pro Type Ultra is a full-size, robust keyboard. It features a yellow mechanical switch, designed to last up to 80 million clicks, under each key. Additionally, the sound-absorbing foam has been installed beneath the keys to ensure a quiet typing experience. Furthermore, all keys are coated with a soft touch coating for an enhanced typing experience. The Pro Type Ultra keyboard has two underside kickstands, allowing the keyboard to be raised up to 6 or 9 degrees. Additionally, it includes a padded leatherette wrist rest for comfort. The keyboard casing is mostly made from durable plastic. It weighs 1,038 grams and has a metal surface under the keys, adding to its weight. The backlit LEDs offer a pleasant effect and aid typing in low light conditions. There is space between the keyboard frame surface and keys for easy cleanup and maintenance. The angle of the keyboard may cause difficulty in typing due to the increased height of the keys resulting from the inclusion of Razer's large yellow mechanical switches. The wrist pad offers support and can help alleviate any issues. However, typing at a 9-degree angle was uncomfortable. Individuals who suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome should be cautious with steeper angles. During our testing, we found the 0-degree angle with wrist rest to be satisfactory. Underlighting LEDs provide an advantage in low lighting environments and can be beneficial for those with visual impairments. Additionally, the letters and symbols on each key are translucent, so they will be illuminated from below and easily legible. The Synapse 3 software allows users to adjust the backlight intensity according to their individual preferences. The Razer Pro Type Ultra is an excellent device for those who wish to maximize their keyboard use, such as gamers and programmers. It does not come with RGB lighting, so may disappoint some gamers. But it still has plenty of features for those who do not require this feature. The 2.4 GHz wireless allows pairing with compatible Razer mice. And Bluetooth is sometimes not easy to locate by computers. The wired capability includes a USB-C to USB-A cable and offers reliable fast charging. The Razer Pro Type Ultra keyboard has impressive battery life. With the backlit LEDs off, it can last 214 hours over Bluetooth or 207 hours over 2.4 GHz wireless. When the backlit LEDs are at full brightness, their battery life is reduced to around 13 hours on both connections. This is a satisfactory performance for this type of keyboard. You can switch between 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth options. The Pro Type Ultra's soft white backlight is a good choice compared to RGB backlighting, which can be challenging to view in certain lighting conditions.